In addition to resistant springs that are attached during assembly, springs may need to be reattached to the tray for many reasons. For example, springs may become detached if a resistance knob is not fully engaged with the spring. This video will demonstrate the process for reattaching these springs. Before you reattach the resistance spring, match the colored spring end with its position in the spring tray, as shown. The stickers on the tray will indicate where the resistance springs go, which is especially helpful if more than one spring has become detached. The color of the resistance knobs will also correspond with the color of the springs. Attach the black end of the spring to the rear of the spring tray, the end that is farther away from the console. Important: before you stretch the resistance spring, remember that it will be under tension when stretched. Do not let go of the spring until both ends are fully engaged in the tray. Hold the carriage and stretch the spring to the other end of the tray. Orient the colored spring end so that the protruding triangle slides into the plastic groove on the spring tray housing. Confirm that the resistant spring is fully seated by gently turning the colored end side to side. If it is fully seated, it should not disengage. With the resistant springs now attached, the Pilates machine is ready for use.